So, update video on the 70 Camaro build. We still getting parts in. If you know those, what's going on in the world today, it's kind of hard to get stuff at the moment in. But we did get something that very good quality for the price point. I actually picked up his tail panel. Now these tail panels range in different prices, but we got a really good deal on this tail panel. Now it ain't AMD, it is not, but for what we're using it for, the quality is pretty good. I mean, there ain't no dents at all in it. It would just take a scuffing and a quick shoot of sealer down it and a paint to actually get it ready. So that's a plus. But all in all, it looks great. I can't complain with this panel at all. But yeah, I ain't uploaded the video on this car. We've been dealing with a 1500 Chevy. If you ain't seen it on the channel already, getting it done. And a coupe. Well, not a coupe, but a sedan, a 38 sedan. It's also getting done. But this car is gonna be hitting the channel pretty heavy soon. A lot of videos. You know, we still got to get the quarters. And we're just doing section quarters, so you know I can mold that in because you need them back sections. And it needs some patches here. The walkers need patched, the doors need lined up better. All that good stuff is treated. Nothing here is major. You might think converting one of these yourself is a major project. No, it is not. First thing, you do not have to change the whole trunk metal. You do not. No matter what you read, you can just skin it. You do not need to change the whole inner structure. You do not need to change your gas tank. You know, you do need to modify this back skin here. You gotta remove this. You can build this section, or you can put that section in that actually is built for it, and then build this little corner. You do not need a full quarter to build this. You just need a half quarter. Half quarter also comes with that little marker light. Pretty sure a marker light goes on the bottom of those. Half quarters also give you this. But now if you go full quarters, you could just skin the whole quarter panel, put your small back window in it because it comes with the little window section. It'll pop loose here. You could do all that yourself. It needs a new trunk lid, this car does. It's getting one of those. The tail fin's a little bit different. Easy to find. You can buy them in a kit. They make them every day. Front end just bolts on. Just need 70 to 74 fenders. It's got a 74 front end done on it. Front end coming off, 70 split bumper going on. Hoods through the whole year is the same. 70 to 70, 81. 81 I think is the last year, or 80 of these cars. Now, if you got one of these early years, if you put the little back window quarters on it, you skin it and everything, people saying, well, the dash is different. Yes, the dash is different. That is true. 79, they changed the dash. 79 to 80 to 81. They put the square dash in it, which I think is a whole lot prettier dash. But you can swap a dash out too. It's that simple. It's easy to do. You can put that 70 to 78 dash in it. Boom. Nobody looking at it would know any different if you skinned it, just as I said. But yeah, this is just going to be exactly what I said. Besides, we're keeping the big back window. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment if you think about doing this yourself, if you're enjoying this content. Show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. I appreciate it if you do. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching.